Welcome to another Simple Dad Webtoon tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue when Webtoon app is not working on your Android phone. If you're new here on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So Webtoon is one of the most popular webcomic platforms across the world where people enjoy stories through the app and the site. However, over the past few days, users have been reporting Webtoon app hasn't been working as the comic site has been down. So let me show you some steps you can take to fix this issue. So the very first step which you can take to fix this issue is by reinstalling the app. So first you want to go ahead and open up Play Store, search for Webtoon, which is here. Go ahead and uninstall the app. Now once that's uninstalled, go ahead and tap on install to install it back again. Once it has installed, go ahead and open the app. And now go ahead and test if your Webtoon app is working or not. Now if this step does not fix the issue, the second step is to go through VPN. VPN is virtual private network. So VPN hides your IP address by letting the network redirect it through a specially configured remote server run by the VPN host. So to run through VPN, you will need a VPN provider. So for myself, I have Atlas VPN. So go ahead and connect to VPN. And once you're connected to VPN, then go ahead and try your Webtoon application. Now, if this step doesn't work, then you'll need to move on to the third step, which is to remove the latest version of Webtoon application and downgrade yourself to the version before. So to do this, you want to go to your Play Store, uninstall the existing version, tap on uninstall. So you want to go ahead and open up Google Chrome browser. Now you want to copy the link from my description of the video and paste it here. And you'll come to this page. Here you want to scroll down until you see all the older versions of Webtoon. Select the version which is just below the current version. Now tap on Download APK, then tap on Download Anyway. Now let that download. And once that's downloaded, go ahead and tap on Open, then tap on Install. This will install the older version of Webtoon. Then tap on Open, tap on Allow, Skip. And now you can go ahead and test the Webtoon application and see if you can view the comics. So hopefully the mentioned step on this video will resolve your issue with Webtoon. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.